What's going on, guys? Today we are going to learn how to hydro dip. These cups right here used to be stainless steel tumblers, and then I made them look like this. So let's get started. I've got my isopropyl alcohol and my microfiber cloth, and I will take this and remove the lid. Stick your hand inside, that way you don't get any of the grease and oil and stuff from your arm onto the cup. So then you'll just take the cloth and you'll just go all the way around it, making sure that you get all of the fingerprints and the oils and different things from your hands off of the cup. Like so. All right, beautiful. Then your next step is to just kind of wait about a minute or so for the alcohol to dry up so that your spray paint will go on nicely. Now, while you wait for your cup to dry, you need to prep for the next step. Now, the next step is getting your cup ready to do the hydro dip. What I like to do is I like to take a plastic bag, so save your plastic bags from when you go grocery shopping. And I'll use a spray paint cap and the lid, right? And you put the spray paint cap on top of the lid, you stick it inside of the bag, you pull this nice and tight, okay? You wanna pull it nice and tight. Make sure that there's no real big holes where you put the cup in, and you take this and you twist it, and you want to twist it to make sure that it's really, really tight. All right, so once you've twisted it really tight, then you're gonna take it and you're gonna actually put it inside of your cup, and you'll stick the Walmart bag inside of the cup, just like so. Perfect. So I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum Gloss Protective Enamel White with this Rust-Oleum Gloss Protective Enamel Poppy Pink and this Gloss Protective Enamel Deep Mint. Alright, so now what you need to do is you need to have a bucket or some sort of container that you can do the hydro dipping in. Now I'm going to be using this bucket here. It looks dirty, but it is going to be okay. The water, and it will want to be slow. All right, y'all, let's get started. Really, don't forget to shake up your paint so that whenever you spray it, it comes out evenly. Here we go. Then you're gonna take your cup and you're gonna quickly move it to a hair dryer, a blow dryer, or some sort of air compressor, something that you can use to push off the water. And this is how you do a hydro dip. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to hydro dip tumblers. Now, if you want to see more, subscribe. And if you really liked this video, smash that like button. Also, if you want to see the video on how I made these beauties, comment down below. Peace!